ओम खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि श्लोक नंबर 65, पेज नंबर 39. आचार्य इज डूइंग ज्ञान कर्म समुच्चय खंडनम. इन टीका वी सॉ आत्मज्ञानस्य कर्मणा समुच्चयम् अभ्युपगच्छता तस्य प्रमाण ज्ञानत्वात् स्वविषया विद्या निवर्तकत्वं बलाद् अभ्युपेयम्. The one who wants atmajnana and karma together, atmajnanasya karmana samuchayam abhyupagacchata, the one who accepts that, tasya pramana jnanatvat स्वविषय अविद्या निवर्तकत्वम बलाद अभ्युपेयम. प्रमाण ज्ञानत्वात्, this is आत्मज्ञानम is through pramanam. प्रमाण ज्ञानत्वात् स्वविषय अविद्या निवर्तकत्वम. स्वविषय आत्मा, आत्मनः अविद्या means आत्म विषयक अविद्या निवर्तकत्वम आत्मज्ञानम. That you have to accept. If you accept that, then तथा सति न स्वाभिमत समुच्चय सिद्धि. Then the samuchaya that he is proposing, that will not work. इत्याह in मूलम समुच्चय पक्षवादिना अपि अवश्यम एतद अभ्युपगंतव्यम. By the समुच्चय पक्षवादीन एतद अवश्यम अभ्युपगंतव्यम, they also will have to accept this. What? That jnana karma samuchaya cannot take place in case of atma jnana. Jnana karma samuchaya will take place, will be accepted in case of anatma jnana, that we saw last time. अज्ञानमनिराकुर्वन् ज्ञानमेव न सिद्ध्यति विपन्नकारकग्रामं कर्म न ढौकते.
ज्ञानं कर्म न ढौकते.
अज्ञानमनिराकुर्वन् ज्ञानमेव न सिद्ध्यति
विपन्नकारकग्रामं ज्ञानकर्म न ढौकते.
ज्ञानं कर्म न ढौकते.
ज्ञानं कर्म न ढौकते.
ढौकते, what is the dhatu?
ढौक.
ढौक गतौ प्रत्यर्थ है.
ढोक्री, ढोक्री गतौ प्रत्यर्थ का धातु means ज्ञानम. विपन्न कारक ग्रामम ज्ञानम कर्म न ढौकते. कस्मात् अज्ञानम अनिराकुर्वन् ज्ञानमेव न सिद्ध्यति. अज्ञानम अनिराकुर्वन् ज्ञानमेव न सिद्ध्यति. अन्वय is as is. Second line also, विपन्न कारक ग्रामम ज्ञानम कर्म न ढौकते. ज्ञानम हैज विशेषण विपन्न कारक ग्रामम. विपन्नः कारक ग्रामः यस्य ज्ञानस्य ज्ञानस्य तज्ज्ञानम विपन्न कारक ग्रामम. ज्ञान सिद्धि itself will not happen unless ajnanam is eliminated. ज्ञानम एव न सिद्ध्यति. Siddhyati, one dhakar is enough. You can see in the shloka. Some people had asked me a question. If dhakar, dhakar both are needed or only dhakar is there, so both are correct. Jnanam eva na siddhyati. Jnanam, which is devoid of karaka gramam. Vipanna means, what is vipanna?
नाशकम निवर्तकम.
Or devoid of. Sampanna, like sadhana chatushtaya sampanna. Sampanna means endowed with. Opposite is vipanna. Sadhana chatushtaya vipanna is anadhikari. Vipanna karaka gramam. What jnanam will do? It will eliminate karaka grama. Grama means samuha. Karta, karana, karta, karma, karana, sampradana, apadana, adhikarana, all these karakas will not be there once jnanam comes. That jnanam cannot go with karma. Means that jnanam and karma together, their understanding cannot happen. If you take Gatyarthaka Dhatu as jnanam. Tika. Nanu ajnanam anirakurvan jnanam eva na siddhyati. Tatah kim gatyataha. Ajnanam anirakurvan jnanam eva na siddhyati. That Purva Pakshi says, because you said that, so what? Tatah kim? So he says, ataha aha vipanna karaka grama. Gramam jnanam. That jnanam which is devoid of karaka grama. Karaka gramam grama abhave karmana eva abhavat. If karaka is not there, karma cannot happen. Karmana eva abhavat na jnanam karma sprushati ityartha. Jnanam karma na sprushati. Jnanam cannot touch the karma. Brahma jnanam and karma cannot go together. Further in Moolam, idam cha param karanam jnana karmanoho samuccaya nibarhi. Idam cha aparam karanam. Kasya karanam? ज्ञान कर्मणों समुच्चय निबर्हि कारणम. This is another reason, another hetu for ज्ञान कर्मणों समुच्चय निबर्हणम. इदम निबर्हि कारणम. निबर्हि शब्द बर्ह हिंसायाम धातु is there. बर्ह हिंसायाम. In that, ini pratyaya, ata ini thanavu, you will get barhin pratipadika. Karanam is Napunsakalinga, therefore barhi, rasva. Nibarhi, nisheshana barhi. Certainly a destroyer of what? Samuchaya. Samuchayasya nibarhi aparam karanam. Very clear how the anvaya will be? Samuchayasya nibarhi aparam karanam. Kasya samuchayasya? Jnana karmanoho. Jnana karmanoho samuchayasya nibarhi karanam. Means this is another reason which will destroy jnana karmana samuchaya. This is beautiful shloka. Hetu swarupa karyani
रूपकार्याणि
prakashatamasoriva
प्रकाशतमसोरिव
virodhini tato nasti
विरोधीनि ततो नास्ति
सांगत्यं ज्ञान कर्मणोः.
साङ्गत्यं ज्ञानकर्मणोः हेतुस्वरूपकार्याणि प्रकाशतमसोरिव विरोधीनि ततो नास्ति साङ्गत्यं ज्ञानकर्मणोः
हेतु स्वरूप कार्याणि प्रकाश तमसोरिव. ज्ञानस्य हेतु स्वरूप कार्य and कर्मणः हेतु स्वरूप कार्य, they are प्रकाश तमसोरिवो विरोधिनी. अतः ज्ञान कर्मणोः सांगत्यं नास्ति. सांगत्यं means संगति, togetherness. Because hetu swarupa karya of jnanam and hetu swarupa karya of karma are different. Only those things which have hetu swarupa karya as same, they will go together. If their hetu swarupa karyas are different, they will not go together. So they are not only not same, they are virodhi, like prakasha tamasoho iva, like light and darkness. Where is the question of their sangatyam? See now in Tika, jnanasya hetuhu pramanam. Hetu means karanam. Jnanam will be produced only when there is pramana. And karmano hetuhu. Karmano hetu is avidya, ragadi, all these doshas. Person will do karma only when they have avidya and ragadi dosha, kama, etc. Swarupam. So what is hetu swarupa karya? Swarupa is what it is. What is jnana? Jnana means atma jnana or brahma jnana. What is its cause and what is its effect? All hetu swarupa karya. So pramanam will produce jnanam. What is the swarupam? Paramartha prakashatmakatvam. It is of the nature of paramartha rupa chaitanya. Prakash means chaitanya. His karya will be avidya nivritti. It will remove avidya. So pramanam will produce the knowledge of supreme reality chaitanya, which will remove avidya. Karma arises from avidya, raga, kama, etc. His swarupam is aprakashatmakam. People generally don't understand karma means aprakasha, karma means avidya, like in Ishavasya it is given. For karma, avidya shabda is used. Vidyam cha, avidyam cha. People think karma means avidya. I am doing so much karma. I am a Mahakarma yogi. I am such an active person. You are saying karma is avidya. According to Vedanta, you are doing karma because you have parichinnatva. And there is some raga for something. You want something, some recognition, some name, fame, wealth, position, power, this, that, something you want. According to Vedanta, not according to one acharya or one text. According to Vedas, this is the reality. And if you say, no, 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 I don't have any raga, I don't need anything, then you take karma sannyas. Karma sannyas means you actually give up karma. So swarupam is aprakashatmakatvam. Karyam is utpatti, apti, adi. Utpatti, apti, samskriti, vikriti. This is the karyam. Karma will produce only these four. So in this way there is paraspara virodha. Jnanasya karyam is avidya nivritti. Karmanaha karyam is utpatti, apti, samskriti, vikriti. There is no sangati. They cannot be together. And swarupa is completely opposite of both. Now there is a beautiful portion. So let us see what is said here in Tika. Purvam jnanasya swotpatti matrena ajnana nivartakatvat karmabhihi samuchayo anupapanna iti uktam tadayuktam. Purvam earlier jnanasya swotpatti matrena ajnana nivartakatvat. As soon as jnanam is utpannam, it will remove ajnanam. They are simultaneous. When ajnanam is gone, then karma bhi samuchaya anupapanna. Then how you can do samuchaya with karma? Because karma is ajnana karyam. This is what Siddhanti said. Iti yad uktam tad ayuktam. Purvapakshi said this is wrong. Why? So now, who is this Purvapaksha? See, वाक्य जन्य ज्ञानोत्तर कालीन भावना उत्कर्षात् भावना जन्य साक्षात्कार लक्षण ज्ञानांतरेणैव अज्ञानस्य निवृत्तेर ज्ञानाभ्यास दशायां ज्ञानस्य कर्मणा समुच्चयोपपत्तेः इति एकदेशीनां मतम् उत्थाप्य निराकरोति एवं उपसंहत इत्यादिना. Two Ekadeshis are discussed. Who are they? One is Brahmadatta Matam. Second is Mandana. This Mandana, there are multiple Mandana Mishras. Sureshwaracharya ji himself, his name in the Purvashrama was Mandana Mishra only. But that is different. This is some other Mandana. They are Vedantins. I would call them as Prasankhyana Vadin. प्रसंख्यानवादी. Prasankhyanavadi word came recently somewhere.
Upadesh Sahasri, 18th chapter.
In Upadesh Sahasri, 18th chapter, Tattvamasi Prakarana, the Mukhya Purva Paksha is going to be Prasankhyanavadi. So that is being discussed here. And those who have studied Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, I think in 147 or 1410, both these Purva Pakshas have come. More or less the same. They are being brought here. So those who have studied Brahadaranyaka, and if they remember, it is good. Otherwise, it is as good as to be studied again. What is the matam? Let us see. So this, okay, let's read the, let me explain. So at least this much you remember. These are two Purva Pakshas. They are Vedanta Ekadeshi. That is what is given in Tika. What do they say? Vakya Janya Uttara Kalina Bhavana Utkarshat. First you do Shravanam. Shravanam will produce, Shravanam means Vedanta Shravanam along with Mahavakya Shravanam. That Vakya will produce Jnanam. Vakya Janya Jnanam. This Jnanam will be Paroksha Jnanam. Once that Paroksha Jnanam comes, thereafter, Uttar Kalina, Jnana Uttar Kalina, after Paroksha Jnanam, Purvapakshi says you don't get liberation with Mahavakya Janya Jnanam. You have to do Bhavana. Bhavana means Upasana or Prasankhyanam. Utkarshat, when it increases, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, then Bhavana Janya Sakshatkara Lakshana Jnanantarena Eva. From that Bhavana means so much Upasana, Sakshatkar Lakshana Jnanam will come. Purva Jnanam was called Vakya Janya Jnanam. It is not Sakshatkar Lakshana Jnanam. Means that is Paroksha Jnanam. And so their idea is this. Mahavakya Shravanam, Vedanta Shravanam, Mahavakya Shravanam. That will produce Vakya Janya Jnanam. Vakya Janya Jnanam, then Upasana. Upasana Utkarsha will produce Sakshatkar Lakshana Jnanam. This Jnanam will remove Ajnanam, not this one. Or this Jnanam, whatever, Vakya Janya Jnanam will not. So Sakshatkar Lakshana Jnanantarena eva Ajnanasya Nivrittihi. By that alone Ajnana Nivritti will happen. Jnana Bhyasa Dashayam Jnanasya Karmana Samuchaya Upapattehi. Jnana Abhyasa Dashayam. In the Jnana Abhyasa Dasha, Jnanasya Karmana Samuchaya Upapattehi. So this phase here, Shravanam, Vakyajanya Jnanam, Upasana. At that time, Jnanam is there about Atma and Upasana is also happening. So now, in this phase, you are doing Jnana Karma Samuchaya here. Jnanasya Karmana Samuchaya Upapattehi. Iti, this is Ekadeshi Matam. Ekadeshi Nam Matam Utthapya Nirakaroti. 。  . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . Now there are two Ekadeshis, means two Purvapakshis, both are Vedanti. When we say Vedanti means they will study Upanishad. They will give importance to Bhashya, Tika, everything. But what they say, see in this Mulam, Evam Upasamhrite Kechid Swa Sampradaya Balavashtambhat Ahur Yadetad Vedanta Vakyad Aham Brahmeti Vijnanam Samutpadyate Tannaiva Swotpatti Matrena Ajnanam Nirasyati Kintarhi Ahani Ahani Draghiyasa Kalena Upasinasya Sato Bhavana Upachayan Nishesham Ajnanam Apagachati Devo Bhutva Devanapyeti Iti Shrutehe. This is one Purvapaksha. What he says, based on Swa Sampradaya Bala Avashtambhat. They have their tradition of Acharyas. And they all propose this only. After you study Vedanta, you have to do Upasana. And there are so many people, so many Mahatmas now, who are following this Purvapaksha and they think they are real Vedantis. See, Upasana before Jnanam is recommended by Shastra. Upasana after Jnanam is rejected by Vedanta Shastra. We should not get confused. Vedanta is not saying don't do Upasana. Vedanta is saying there is no need of Upasana after Jnanam. These Purvapakshas, they are saying you need Upasana after Jnana. Why? Because Yad Etad Vedanta Vakyat, through Vedanta Vakya, Aham Brahmasmi, this Vijnanam Samutpadyate. Vijnanam has taken place. But that Jnanam, Tannaiva Swa Utpatti Matrena Ajnanam Nirasyati. Just by Swa Utpatti, it does not remove Ajnanam. Ajnanam na Nirasyati. Then, Kintarhi, you have to do something more. Ahani Ahani. Ahani Ahani means every day. Draghiyasa Kalena. Draghiyas Shabda, how it will be formed?
Dirgha.
No, those who are not studying Sanskrit, they should not attempt such answers. Dragha, Shabda is there. In that Dragha, Yasun Pratyay will come. So it will become Draghiyas. And for its Bahuvachanam, राघीयसा कालेन. Raghiyasa for long time. Vachanam. So for long time they prescribe Aham Brahmasmi Upasana. Raghiyasa Kalena Upasinasya. Upasinasya Sataha. Upasina means this Upasaka. Sataha Bhavana Upachayat. Some Bhavana will increase. Upasana Balam. Tadakar Vritti will happen. Bhavana Upachayat. Nishesham Ajnanam Apagachati. Because of that increase in Aham Brahmasmi Vichara, then Ajnanam will go, not otherwise. You have to do lot of Aham Brahmasmi after you understood what is Aham Brahma. And they give the quotation, Devo Bhutva Devanapyati. That is given in Tika. Devo Bhutva Bhavana Upachayat Deva Bhavam Sakshat Kritya Patite Dehe Upasya Devata Bhavam Prapnoti Ityartha. See, Devo Bhutva Devanapyati literally means having become Devata, you will attain Devata. Means here you have done lot of Devata Upasana and as if you have become one with Devata. Devo Bhutva Bhavana Upachayat. Because of the Bhavana Upachaya, growth in this Upasana, Deva Bhavam Sakshat Kritya. He will do Sakshatkara of Deva Bhava. Deva Bhavam Sakshat Kritya. Patite Dehe. When the body falls, then he will become one with Upasya Devata. Means he will become Upasya Devata. Upasya Devata Bhavam Prapnoti Ityartha. This is first Purvapaksha. So let us just analyze this one first. What do they say? They will use the Vidya Sutra. Vidya Sutra is, what is Vidya Sutra?
Atmityopasit.
Atmityopasit. They will say this Vidya Sutra is actually Vidhi Vakya. That means there is Vidhanam. What is that? Atma iti eva upasita. You have to do upasana of yourself as Atma, as Brahma. How or when? After you hear Mahavakya. So Mahavakya is needed. Mahavakya is Vakya which is statement which is not a Vidhi Vakya. It just tells you statement of fact. But thereafter you should use Atmityopasit. This is their main point, number one. Number two, The upasana there is on Aham Brahmasmi Vakya. So Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam that has taken place prior to doing this upasana is Paroksha Jnana. This is what they say. So according to them, if you hear Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, Prajnanam Brahma, all these Vakya, they will produce Paroksha Jnana. Then you have to go on doing this Bhavana, Dhyanam. This Dhyanam is not Nididhyasana. This Dhyanam is Upasana. So Vedanta says before Brahmatmika Jnanam, Upasana will help you in removing the lack of ekagrata, concentration, or in Shravanam, if there is some pratibandha, this Upasana will help you in removing that pratibandha so that you can study Vedanta Shastra properly. So we accept that. But here he says, you have to do thorough meditation. Meditation means upasana on Aham Brahmasmi after gaining knowledge. And that upasana balam will produce another jnana. That second jnanam is aparoksha jnana. It will give you sakshatkara. And so this next point, according to them, this aparoksha jnanam or sakshatkara jnanam will remove avidya. So when I am doing upasana, I already have jnanam. Then I am asked to do upasana. Not only I have to do upasana, at that time I have to also perform my nitya karma. Because until you are jnani, you have to do nitya karma. Then when this body drops, then he will attain union with Paramatma. In that context, they have given this Devo Bhutva Devanapyati Vishnuti. This is Brahadaranyaka 4.1.2. But remember that Vakya is actually for Upasaka. Devo Bhutva means having done Devata Bhava Sakshatkara. How? Because of the Bhavana Upachayat. What is the Bhavana? He has entertained this, that I am this Devata. So he will later, after death, he will attain Devata Bhava. Devo Bhutva Devata Bhavam Apyati Prapnoti. So his realization will give him result after this body drops, not Jivan Mukti. This is the Veda. Okay. This is first one. Let's read the second one now. Apare tu bruvate. Apare, the other people. Apare ekadeshina. Bruvate, brute, bruvate, bruvate. Bahuvachan. What do they say? They are also similar, slightly different. They say Vedanta Vakya Janitam Aham Brahma iti Vijnanam संसर्गात्मकत्वाद आत्मवस्तु याथात्म्य अवगाही एव न भवति. अहम ब्रह्म, this vijnanam, this is sansargatmaka vijnanam, because this sansarga vakya. Sansarga vakya, he says, will never give you aparoksha jnana. Atma vastu yathatmya avagahi eva na bhavati. It will never become atma vastu yathatmya avagahi. Why? It is sansarga jnana. So this Ekadeshi is of this mata. No Shabda Jnanam will become aparoksha. All Shabda Jnanam will be paroksha only. This is why lot of people think Vedanta will give only indirect knowledge. Vedanta will give only paroksha jnanam. Vedanta will give only vicarious knowledge. Different words they can use. This is all this Purva Paksha. So then what you should do? Kintarhi etadeva Ganga srotovat satatam abhyasyato anyad eva avakyarthatmakam vijnanantaram utpadyate. When you continuously do abhyasa of this, how we should do? Ganga sroto vat. Right here in Rishikesh, not like in Uttarakashi and all, sometimes Ganga srota is there, but it becomes very thin, this, that, no. Continuous, long, non-stop. Aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi. कितने घंटे बैठे अहम ब्रह्मास्मि? 4 hours of aham brahmasmi I did. Now I have come for Bhandara. After Bhandara, I will Bhandara time also aham brahmasmi. Dal lao aham brahmasmi. Roti ram lao aham brahmasmi continuous. Satatam abhyasyato anyadeva avakyarthatmakam jnanam. He will have avakyarthatmakam vijnanam. So earlier jnanam is vakyartha jnanam. This is called avakyartha. Avakyartha means Brahma is not any vakyartha. Brahma is avachya. So that's why he says avakyarthatmakam. There is more meaning also to this. It is very technical. Avakyarthatmakam vijnanantaram. Another vijnanam. So in this case, Vedanta Shravanam, aham brahmasmi jnana. Then ahani, not ahani ahani, Ganga srotovat. The other fellow is ahani ahani. This is Ganga srotovat. That will produce another jnana, avakyarthatmakam. This jnanam will remove ajnanam. Tadeva ashesha ajnana timirotsari iti. This will remove ashesha ajnanam. And this paksha also has one Shruti quotation. Vijnaya tameva dhiro vijnaya prajnam kurvita brahmana iti shrutehe. So both are quoting from Brahadaranyaka only. All this, mostly the top level discussions and all are in Brahadaranyaka. All like this Prasankhyanavada, Purva Paksha and all, Brahadaranyaka. So conveniently, many people don't study only Brahadaranyaka, so that is easy. And you don't have to study Pandu, this Naishkarmya Siddhi, etc. Prajnam Kurvita Brahmana iti Shrute iti. Up to this. So more on this second Purva Paksha, the detailed analysis, Tika and the Shloka, etc. next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
प्रणाम